Hi, this is Jonathan from Entry Systems Garage Doors and Gates, coming live from our design center here in Laguna Hills. We've been serving South Orange County since 1972. One of the first questions that we have when we're trying to pick out our new garage door is, what size is my door? How do I figure this out? And so to get a ballpark quote going, you really just need to know if it's a two-car garage or a single-car garage. But if you're asking, how do I measure my garage door? What you're going to actually do is measure the opening. So using a tape measure, you would put a tape measure on the floor and measure from one edge of the opening to the other edge of the opening. And then you don't include the trim or any vinyl doorstop or anything like that. And so that's going to give you the width. And then using a tape measure, you go from the ground to the bottom of the garage door opening. And that's called the header. And you don't include any of the trim on the top. That is the height. So in Southern California, where we are located, the standard size of a two-car garage is 16 feet wide and 7 feet tall. And a single-car garage is 8 feet wide and 7 feet tall. Some garage openings are slightly shorter or wider in width, and some might be a little bit less tall, but that is the standard height and width. If you have a custom home, your door could be a foot taller. 8 foot is also common. And sometimes the door can be 1 or 2 feet wider as well. But that's just a way to start thinking about how big is my door and maybe get an initial quote. And we will answer some other questions about design in the following videos. Thanks.